A welding machine is a device used to join two pieces of metal using high heat and/or pressure. This process is called welding, and it's commonly used in industries like construction, automotive, shipbuilding, and metalworking. There are different types of welding machines. The most common ones include arc welding machines, MIG-MAG, gas-shielded, welding machines, and TIG welding machines. The type of machine used depends on the material and the job requirements. Safety is very important during welding. The process produces extreme heat, sparks, and harmful gases, so welders must wear protective gear such as welding helmets, gloves, and proper clothing. In summary, welding machines are essential for metal joining tasks and, when used correctly, they create strong and durable connections.